I think it's time to replace the coolant tank. I got a new coolant tank, but it seems to be a little bit different. It has the outlets on the side. So I tried to make it fit and cut a little bit of the existing coolant hose to make it fit. Also, the sensor wire is too short, so I would have to extend it. I just think it's the wrong tank. So in process of trying to install the wrong coolant tank, I actually damaged the coolant hose a little bit. However, I think it needs replacement anyway, because it looks quite old. I tried ordering the original part. Nobody has it. Sounds like it's not produced anymore. There's a part number on it. I found one supplier, but the shipping was like $250 plus 200. Yeah, didn't make any sense. So I will try to build it myself. I got one of these T-pieces. It doesn't have the correct size, but it's pretty close. And then I got a couple of hoses and a joiner which also changed the size a little bit, and a normal lower radiator hose. And I will just try to produce it. So here's my creation. I got the T-piece really close to the engine block, then the lower radiator hose, and connected to the fluid tank. It should work.